Unit number 2. See, we have already discussed about IP multicasting. Once again, we will revise IP multicasting. So before we are going to start, you have to know about what is mean by unicast. So what mean by unicast? Parana Sophia. We have already discussed. So you just see your note and take. What mean by unicast? So unicast means one-to-one communication. See, this is a group. Consider this is a group. So in this group, these both machines has to be communicated. So this is called as unicast communication. So what is mean by broadcast? Vikram, this is your thank you. Many to many. So a source can send a information to all systems. Information to all systems. Yes, sit down. To the all system. That is called as broadcast communication that we have already. So this would be like this. See, if these are the groups, so this communication has to be done to all the system is called as broadcast communication. See, multicasting means multicasting means one source can send a message in a group. It sends a group message from different users. See, like this. So in a group it sends more than one users. This is called as multicasting. So we saw already about the multicasting, IP multicasting. It has. So how this MAC address or how the IP address can be managed by using the protocol of IGMP. Today we are going to see about IGMP, Internet Group Management Protocol. This protocol has two phases. Phase number one is used to add a new member in a group. And phase number two is to connect the poles between the groups. Groups in a member. See, poles means election. See, which member will be the authority member in a group. See, already we have discussed about the autonomous system. In autonomous, next we are going to see about the IGMP transition phase. This phase has the three members. The first member is non-member and delaying member and then member. These are the three phases in the IGMP. See, in this IGMP, let us consider the phase number one. What is the phase number one? To add a new member in the multicast group. So in this, the first non-member has sent the join alert to the all groups which is presented in the multicast group address. Multicast group or the autonomous system. Autonomous system, the message has to be received to the all members in the group. At that time, the non-member became the delaying member in the group. So once all members has to be received the acknowledgement or responses. So that non-member becomes the member and the sending responses to all the members in the multicast group. So if delaying member, when all members or some members are busy at his working state, so that time the delaying member has some responses time. If the response time is over means, then here itself you are not fit for the member in my group, because in my member itself the process is really more working on my multicasting environment. So next, if any member wants to relieve from its group, so the member will send the relieve alert to these members, then it becomes the non-member. These are the transition phase in the IGMP group. These are the transition phases. So what are the transition phase in adding a new member? First one point is non-member, member. So how the non-member becomes the member in the IGMP group. That is called as a multicasting environment group. Okay? Have you clear? Yes. Next we are going to see about IGMP message format. Each and every protocols have the message format. See, this message format have the 32-bit field. This message format have the length of 32-bit field. The first 8-bit field denote the type of the field. And second 8-bit field denote the response time of the field. And checksum. Next 16-bit is used for a checksum. And group addresses. See, if type is a 8-bit field, which identifies the two values. One is sending report and another one is sending query to that report. One is sending query and another one is sending report. One is sending query and another one is sending report. The type 8-bit field which identifies the query and then report. This will send the two types of field. One is query and then report. See, then we are going to discuss about the response time. In response time, this also having the 8-bit field. This will identify the 0 to 120. This will show the 0 to 120 seconds. 0 to 120 seconds. That means IGMP packet from a source, it sends to the many group. It takes the 120 seconds. From 2, it sends the all group in the multicasting environment. Listen, if any non-member wants to send a message to all members, that member's message, IGMP message has to be sent within 0 to 120 seconds. It takes the time to send a message to group all the members. So it takes us 0 to 120. All the active members in the group. Then group addresses that denote the IP multicasting address. This denote the IP multicasting addresses. The how to group the members, this to be done by the protocol, Internet Group Message Protocol. This having the two phases. The first phase is the adding a new member, and second phase is the yes, polling can be done by using IGMP protocol. So we are taking the first phase. The first phase has these type of members. In the that can be as the transition phase. So in this non-member, if a non-member wants to join in a multicasting environment, it has to be give the join alert to the members. So at that phase, the message has to send the all members in the group. Then it becomes at that state it becomes the delay member. Then send response